Alrighty, we're recording the sewer line here at 2459 Warren Street. The date is August 6, 2019. We're recording this from the clean out here on the side of the house. Dropping in the clean out down into where the plastic meets the clay. So we cut out a root here, that's just a loose guy. You'll see a couple little spindly roots. Those just kind of flap in the wind when the jetter hits them. There's not much you can do. They're blown up on the camera screen. Those are actually probably close to the size of a pine needle when you get down to it. So going down, let me reorient the camera here. So that on the top of the screen looks like the tie-in for, might be that drain right down there with the downspout. You'll see the pipe has some separation here where a root was coming in, pretty good sized root, so I cut that back. You'll see again these little spindly guys just don't cut out. So going further, we go to a turn here. Another tie-in at the top of the pipe, and you see some of this, these markings on the side of the pipe to the right side of your screen. It's actually chunks of the pipe starting to fall away and deteriorate. So the clay, the structural integrity of the clay pipe, that's what this is, 4-inch clay, is starting to deteriorate. So again, you see little pock marks missing out of it right there. The clay is just slowly starting to break away. That's from use, cabling equipment, etc. Just work being done to the line. So pretty good pipe separation right there. That root we're unable to get due to that angle from the way the pipe's separated. Dropping into another line here. Reorient the camera again. So cut out quite a bit of roots through this area. I want to make note of the pock marks here through this section. So quite a bit here, deteriorating. Cut through these, and so a little hesitant on cutting too much in these sections. This pipe's really falling apart here, and it'll come up shortly, and I want to show you the main reason why. Right there on the left side of the screen, that's a whole chunk of pipe missing out of the pipe. There's the clay is just starting to fall apart on the line, and that's just from years of use, years of having a cable and jet and clean it out from these roots growing into it. So before jetting, we're going into concrete here, and again, you see a chunk of concrete missing on the left side of the screen. So just over time, this pipe's probably close to 100 years old. It's just starting to wear down. Alright, just wanted to show you the inspection of the pipe. We're under the street now. We shouldn't have any problem down there. And the recording here.